Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, and we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing of the Leagoo M9. If I remember correctly, someone mentioned this in one of our posts. I'm not sure kung sa Facebook ba yon or um, sa YouTube. But well, since we were able to get it kasi it was on sale, it went on sale sa what do you call that? It went on sale sa Lazada a couple of days, so I bought it. I got it for 2,599 only. Okay? So mura, no? One thing I noticed, I didn't even check the specs. The only thing I checked when I bought this sa Lazada was RAM. Because I don't want to buy anything that's below 2 gig. Kasi number one, pag hindi ko siya nabenta, it's useless for me in the house since most of the phones here are 2 gig and above already. So I don't know what I'm gonna be doing with it. So I bought this for 2,599 Lazada nung shop nung the other day, no, when they had a flash sale. So according here, it says here, as you can see, quad cam full screen M9. Okay. Hindi siya teardrop, so meron pa rin siyang sa taas. Specs according to the box, we'll check later against the specs written on the website. It's supposed to be a 5.5 HD IPS display, 1.3 GHz quad-core CPU. Yung front cam niya should be a 5 megapixel plus sub 2 megapixel fixed focus pareho. Rear camera should be an 8 megapixel autofocus plus a sub 2 megapixel fixed focus. Dual SIM, dual standby, 2 GB RAM, 16 GB ROM, 2850 lithium polymer battery. Okay? So, there it is. I opened it kasi the other day. I got blue again. Okay? I don't know, I don't remember what colors they're selling online sa Lazada. I don't want to check anymore. Okay? Sabi dito, okay, sa website mismo ng Leagoo, it's GSM, walang sinabi kung LTE siya. Yes, the camera is tama, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel. Ganun din sa 8 sa front, 2 sa back. 8 and 2 sa back, 5 and 2 sa front. So tama. 5.5 tama nga siya, no? It's supposed to be also multi-touch, okay? So as you can see, two cameras in the front. So kita nyo bagong-bago, I still have the cover. Other things that come inside the box are silica gel. Okay. Apparently it comes with also a case, which we will leave out na because we're gonna leave this phone outside. It's a micro USB adapter for the charging port. Let's hope it has power. I don't think it has power. And the wall plug. So since I don't think it has power, let's see if we can plug it in and if it's gonna work. Looks like it has removable batteries, Okay, kasi removable back. Okay, so remove it. No, it doesn't work. Kasi what I remember now, Leagoo ships their phones with ano bang tawag dyan? Battery protectors. Okay. When they ship it, may tape. It has tape. Medyo matigas po yung pagtanggal ng back cover. Sorry. So, ayan. Yeah. Okay. See? It's the same green color. So it's 2,850 rin, So they ship it like this, which is, I think, is good kasi it prevents accidental shortage, discharge of the battery and stuff. Or it might also be because baka may ruling na. Okay? So alam ko kasi they are strict on shipping things with batteries already air freighted. And this was shipped by air. Okay, so we finally got it off. Okay, see. Looks like it's using a micro SIM and a nano SIM. dual SIM, okay? From the size of it, looks like a micro SIM and a nano SIM, which is good. Kasi not all people have nano SIMs pa. So it's not, it's turning on. Okay, so it took a little while. Walang sinabi sa if it's Gorilla Glass, so I assume it's not. So we need to be very careful with this. Wala siyang kasamang screen protector, so I don't know how we will deal with this, because I don't know where to get one unless we buy it online again. Okay, so I will not remove the cover first, kasi baka magasgas ko. Sayang naman if the screen is already scratched. Okay, when you put the casing box here, make sure you pop it in. On there, it's gonna bulge out. See, we're gonna put the case so that you guys see exactly what it looks like with the case while it's turning on. Oh, but yun ang hawak ko. Okay. So get started. Skip. So it's asking us to put in the SIM cards. Fresh start. Don't use. I said don't use it. Mamaya na yung time, we'll fix it later. Skip anyway. Finish setup later. Okay, so as you can see there, that's the screen resolution in size niya, no? Where are all the other phones here in this house? I think the boys already also took it again. Okay. So as you can see, the two front cameras are here. Okay, I haven't checked which one is the 2 and the 5 megapixels. Okay, the volume and the power buttons are all located on the right side. Microphone, loudspeaker, 3.5mm jack, and micro USB port charger pin. Okay, so yan, para makita nyo yung okay, security, dual speed, memory. So it's 2 GB, as you can see, it says there. Storage, 5.15 is used out of the 16 GB. Let's see what it's Android 7.0. So magaan siya, no, compared to the other phones that we have. It's not that heavy. And this is against the Poco phone. So I think this is the same size as the Doogie Y8 ba yun? The one that we also unboxed is also blue. So yan, that's the quick unboxing for the Leagoo M9. Dual camera daw yung harap. So looks like it has a pretty decent screen or camera. Okay. Medyo blurred yung front, so punasan natin. Yeah, see? You can see my ugly face. Okay. So thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions about this phone, and we'll try to answer your questions. Thanks, bye!